One of the things we love about working in real estate is helping clients find value in properties they had given up on. Many times, we're called in when a home looks beyond saving, when the homeowner feels their only option is to sell for pennies, walk away, or let the bank take it. That's where our program comes in. In partnership with our nonprofit IBIUBU and our construction company, Simple Solutions, we step in with experience, strategy, and resources to turn things around. Here are just a few examples of what we started with and the final results. In each case, the homeowner walked away with far more than they ever expected, avoiding foreclosure, lowball investor offers, and financial loss. This program has helped many, and these are just some of the success stories we're proud to share.